So today we just talking about the syllabus of physical education. As you are in science, so the marks division as follows of biology, physics and chemistry 70 and 30. There is two part. Theory and practical 70 and 30. 70 and 30. In 70 marks theory part, there is 10 chapters. What are the 10 chapters? The 10 chapters are like first chapter planning in sports, second chapter nutrition, third chapter yoga and lifestyle, fourth chapter disabilities, that means children with special needs, and fifth chapter is test and measurement chapter, sixth chapter children and women in sports, seventh chapter biomechanics and kinesiology in sports, eighth chapter psychology in sports, and the 10th ninth chapter is anatomy and physiology in sports, and the 10th chapter is training in sports. So that 10 chapters have to covered in this year for your theory part, and for the practical part you have to cover the project file, and some tests are there, which one you have to perform in field and which one you have to write in practical project file. There is some misunderstanding that what you have to write in project file and what you have to do in field. So you have to write that portion what you have to do in field. In project file I am dividing the 30 marks, that physical fitness test 7 marks, then yoga 7 marks, then the game 6 marks, then the project file 5 marks, and viva 5 marks. That 30 marks is in practical. In physical fitness test there is general motor fitness test. In general motor fitness test there are 8 tests are there. That 8 tests you have to write in project file. In project file you have to cover 3 topics. First topics is that topic number 1, what is general motor fitness test, and the test items you have to cover in number 1. Number 2, yoga. You have to write the yogasan, some postures from your syllabus. From the syllabus is in yoga and lifestyle chapter. Various diseases are there, and from various diseases, curable diseases, you have to cover minimum 2 yogasans. So there are 5 diseases, and you have to cover 5 into 2 equal to 10 different yogasans in topic number 2. In topic number 3, you have to cover your main game. which game you are select for your practical exam. That game you have to write. In game, what you have to write? First of all, the introduction of game, that means history of games. Suppose you select basketball. As you had select in 11 individual game, badminton, chess. In 12, you have to select team game like basketball, football, volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho. That type of game you have to select. If you select basketball, then you have to cover the introduction first. In introduction, you have to cover the history of basketball, when the game was introduced and how it became popular. Then the next topic of basketball, the rules and regulations. The various updated rules and regulations you have to cover here. Next, the diagram of basketball court. I am talking about only one game. If you select another game but the topics are same, that means introduction, then rules and regulations, then the diagram of that particular game field. Then the topic number 4 of game, this is the various skills or terminology. Terminology means the skills. Then the topic number 5, what are the trophies and tournaments of this game, and who are the famous national and international players, minimum 5 players from national and international, you have to write there. This is only about the game, and that was only about the Yogasan. And in topic number 1, general motor fitness test, the introduction, that means the what is general motor fitness test and what are the items of that game. Then individually you have to cover the different items of that game. Suppose there are 8 items, and the first item is 50-meter standing start. Then you have to write 50-meter standing start. (50-meter standing start). This is the heading of first item. Then there is subpoint 1, purpose. Purpose means for what that game is select, or that item is select. The purpose is measuring speed. Next, the point number 2, equipment. Equipment. What type of equipment for this test you have to select? For this test, the equipments are stopwatch and whistle and the starter and the 50-meter measuring field. Next, number 3, procedure. Procedure. Procedure means how this test will be conducted. Now you can explain that the starter means the who are giving the test, that is called subject, and the who are taking the test, that's called examiner or starter. Then you can explain this way, that is, subject can stand behind the starting line. He or she will start in standing position. The starter will blow the whistle, or otherwise he or she can say that ready, then give a clap. Then the subject will start running until the 50 meter will not be covered. The subject will complete the 50 meter with full speed. This is the procedure. Then the fourth one is score. The score is, in the score you have to write that the nearest fraction of second will be measured to complete the 50 meter distance by the subject. This is the scoring. That fourth topic will be covered for each items. That means each 8 items. It is better that if you select a single page for a single test. If you arrange haphazardly, that also you can, but that is not a procedure for project file that you have write in class 11. Forgot it. Now you must write like this way, a single page you have to choose for a single item, and beside that page, that means another page, left side page, white page, you have to paste that test picture. The picture is available in net or in your book. You can draw or you can paste that picture over there. Everything in test or in yoga, in game, you have to paste pictures of skills, yogasans or test items, everything. Is it clear to you? Is there any doubt? If there is any doubt, you may ask, no problem. No doubt. Thank you. In next class, we will start from practical, because we must complete the practical first. Then we go to the main topic or main chapters, our theory portion. Okay. We will start from practical. We must complete our project file first. After that, the practical videos or practical classes will be available in our YouTube channel. We must try to teach you in your live class, or if the situation will be normal, we can practice it in face to face in our field. Okay, but now we must complete our practical or our project file first. Clear? Amrin, is there any doubt? Okay, you have no doubt. Today's class this much. We will meet again with our next topic, next class. Thank you very much to all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye bye students.